And now presenting Gina's Finger Puppet Theater.
I am the beautiful swan. We are swimming. Swimming. Oh, is it turtle? Turtle, what are you doing? I am swimming too. You are slow. I fly away. What you looking at? Oh, you know you want to be the seal. Be the seal. Will you be a turkey? Is it?
Scene change.
My name is Tom. Tom Turkey. I am Snooky Snell. Hello, Snooky. I am Sammy Seal.
Scene change. Gina's Puppet Show Theater, Scene 3.
Is this a polar bear? What is this thing? It's a polar bear. Yeah. Oh my god. She's a mouse. It is a mouse?
To the polar bear.
To the polar bear. Oh, that makes more sense.
Although I can pretend to be a mouse, if that will make you more comfortable.
Mouse impersonating a polar bear.
Scene.